Hey guys, Patrick Don of XP Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at 15 Thornton Street in Ludowici, Georgia. This is a 3 bedrooms, 2 bath home with 1,282 square feet, offered at $229,900. This is on a half-acre lot. It's really close to the fire station, to an elderly home or elderly community and daycare. Close to Hunter, or to close to Fort Stewart, not Hunter. It's really far from Hunter, but it's really close to Stewart. So let's go check out this beautiful home. Hey, now welcome into this beautiful home. What I love about this home, only a couple years old for one, and got a great LVP floor, wide open concept in here. As you can see, it can fit a sectional, no problem, and a recliner. Primary bedroom in here, which has the upgraded bathroom, which I'll be showing you. And it comes all the way into this, you can see over here, you can look right into the kitchen without any problems. I mean, great layout. So let's check all of this out. Now we're into this kitchen, wide open to the dining room area. As you can see, I love this dining room area because it gives you a good shot of the outside yard, which is huge, which we're going to check it out. And then you got stainless steel appliances in here, some stainless steel in black, stainless steel. We got Maytag appliances, all the refrigerator, the stove, the microwave, the refrigerator, all the same brand. And you got a lot of space over here to do your cooking, prepping, and all that good stuff. Let's look at this, and then we're going to go into the primary bedroom. Now we're in the primary bedroom. Plenty of space in here. Fit a king size bed all day, no problem. You can fit, any kind of furniture really you want. But what I love about this bedroom itself is that they opted for the upgraded bathroom. So it's tiled all the way up. It's beautiful. Let's check it out. Now that we left the primary bedroom, we're gonna be checking out these two bedrooms over here with the other guest bathroom. What I love about these rooms, they're pretty big. I mean, you could fit a queen size bed in there very comfortably. I love the accent walls they got in there. They're children's rooms right now, but you can make them your own, of course. And then the bathroom is very spacious for all your guests and the people that live on this side. So let's check it out. Welcome to the backyard, which is spacious. As you can see, they have dogs. It's fenced in. They have also children, so this fencing, they can do whatever they want out here. Like, I love this fire pit they got going on, the gravel going on, the lights going on, creates that ambiance. Not to mention they got a little pergola right there, playground for the kids. fantastic. Plenty of space for the dogs, the kids, anything. If you want to party, entertain out here, you definitely got it. And the barbecue grill, all that good stuff. Let's check it out. So that was 15 Thornton Street in Ludowici, Georgia. If you have any questions about this home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.